Hello traders, welcome back to the channel. Today we're taking a close look at PropHelper EA for MetaTrader 5, a free multi-strategy gold trading robot focused on XAUUSD. The developer positions it as a high-frequency system designed specifically for prop traders who need consistent activity to hit those profit targets without blowing up drawdown limits. Before we dive into today's EA, you can download the free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5. There's lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. Alright, so it looks promising on paper, especially since it's free on the MQ5 marketplace, as you can see over here. But as always, we are going to dig deeper into what it actually does, what the developer claims, and whether it holds up in real conditions. So let's jump in. Alright, so according to the developer, PropHelper combines 5 different approaches into one EA. So you've got 3 trend following strategies that look to ride the direction when gold starts moving with momentum. As you can see, 3 trend strategies. Then there's a big move strategy that jumps on strong, impulsive expansions. Think those sudden volatility spikes gold is famous for. And finally, a reversal strategy that tries to catch pullbacks or counter trend opportunities when things get overextended. So as you can see, it's built primarily for the M5 and M15 time frame um, on the XAUUSD symbol. The idea is that by mixing these logics, the EA stays active across different market regimes instead of sitting idle when one style isn't working. So the developer emphasizes it uses fixed stop losses combined with indicator-based exits, no dangerous grid or martingale stuff. So you can see, no dangerous strategies. So there's a news filter to help avoid high impact events and built-in money management protections like drawdown limits. Overall, they present it as a balanced, pro-friendly robot that generates a high number of trades while keeping risks under control. Right, so you can see how it looks. So from the signals and images on the page, you see a pretty steady equity curve over several years of backtesting with hundreds or even thousands of trades depending on the period. As you can see, so we can see the backtest results, and we have a total net profits here of 94,970 900 and sorry $94,767. Right, so they cut out the initial deposit, so we can see that the profit factor was 1.24. The balance drawdown was 14.51%. So now you see those high number of trades. You can see that it took 8,385 trades over the period. Right, so like I said, this all looks well and good on paper, but how does it actually hold up in the real world when I put it to my own back test? My personal back test. You can see how the curve looks here. So let's compare it to mine and see if it actually holds true. All right, so I was opportune to test the EA on my own using the developers recommended parameters. As you can see, the XAUUSD pair, the gold, and on the M5 time frame. So I tested with a period of 1 year, ranging from 1st of April 2025 to 1st of April 2026, and my initial deposit here was $10,000. So when I ran the back tests, as you can see, the equity curve looked decent, but had more chop than the super smooth developer screenshots. We saw solid periods where it stacked wins during strong gold trends, but there were also stretches of drawdown, as you can see, during ranging or choppy sessions. Exactly what you'd expect from a high frequency gold EA. The key stats came in for the 1,000 for the $10,000 initial deposits. The total net profits was $426, and the profit factor was 1.02. And then we had that balance drawdown of 8.80%. Total trades taken for just the 1 year period, quite on the high side, 4,551 trades. Right, so it actually does what the developer claims it does. Um, Honestly, um, looking at this, the settings actually matter. Lot size, and risk protections are crucial. Stick conservative if you're on a prop challenge. The news filter helps, but doesn't eliminate widening spreads or surprise moves. High frequency means broker choice is everything. A tight spread ECN account is almost mandatory. So the catch with these multi-strategy gold bots is they perform well in the right conditions, but can have periods where drawdown climbs quicker than expected. No obvious martingale, but the volume of trades means small losses can pile up. Core fitting risks is there on long back tests, so always forward tests. So my realistic verdict, let's go back to the developers page. PropHelper is a decent free option for active gold traders. It gives you plenty of opportunities and seems built with prop rules in mind, but it's not set and forget magic. You want to monitor it, especially around news or volatile times. This one is actually for experienced prop traders or gold enthusiasts who have a good broker, run it on VPS, and use conservative rigs. Great if you like high activity and can handle the swings. Beginners or super risk averse folks should probably avoid it or at least demo it extensively first. Alright, so if you found this review helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more EA reviews, and let me know in the comments which robot you want me to check next. Also, don't forget to grab that free Forex indicator packed robot from the description below. It's a solid addition to any setup. Thanks for watching, trade safe, and I'll see you in the next one.